How to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Open up your TikTok app on your phone or wherever you usually use it. Find your profile by tapping on that little person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for those 3 lines up at the top right. Tap on those to bring up the menu. Look for Settings and Privacy in that menu and tap on it. Now, scroll down until you see something that says Support and give that a tap. Inside Support, you'll find something called Safety Center. Tap on that. In the Safety Center, there's a thing called Community Guidelines. Tap on that. It's crucial to carefully read through these guidelines to ensure you didn't violate any of them. Once you've done that, go back to your profile by tapping the back button. Now, tap on Inbox and then select System Notifications. Look for the message about your account being suspended. When you find it, tap on it to open it up. Inside that message, there should be an option to appeal. Tap on that. Follow the instructions TikTok gives you for the appeal. After that, all you have to do is wait for TikTok to review your appeal, which usually takes about 4 to 7 business days. If you haven't broken any rules, your account should be back to normal after TikTok reviews your appeal. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to fix your suspended TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.